Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. In this class, we'll be discussing about selectors in CSS. Selectors in CSS. So we have four methods in which we can use to select our HTML element in CSS. So now what do I mean? So the number one selection method is simple by using the simple selectors. The simple selectors is divided into three categories, which is the simple selectors is divided into three categories, which is number one, we have by the names, we have by using the ID, and we have the class method by using the class method. So now let me start by using the name method, the names method. Now let me say paragraph um, name name method. Now the name method. Now how can we change the color of the name method here? Now it is very simple. We are just going to make use of the element tag direct. What do I mean? For example, now we want to change the name method which is inside the paragraph tag. So I'm just going to call the paragraph tag direct. Paragraph tag. I'm going to make use of my squigglies, the curly braces. Then I will say color. Oh, sorry. I'm going to say color. The color should be green. Okay, let me reload. Now you see the color here is green. You can see the name method has been changed to green. So let me give you another example that you will understand better. So let me say H2. Let me name it my tutorial. My tutorial. Now I have it here. Now, how can we change the color or the properties of this H2, the text in between the H2, my tutorial? So let me quickly go down to my CSS file. So now H2, that is the name of the tag. So this, and let me say background color. No, not background color. Sorry about that. Let me say text align. Let me change text align. Then let me say left. Which one should I use? Okay, let me say center. Now you see, the text has moved from the left hand side to the right hand side. So I have changed the property of the text using the named selector. You can change any property. Now let me change the property of this to the background color of this. Let me make it to be white. Make it to be white. Now you see I've made the background property of the paragraph tag to be white, the background color to be white. So that is how we can make use of the named color in that's how we can make use of the name selector in CSS. So in the next class we'll be teaching how to make use of the ID selector. So thank you.